This carnitas taco may look like it's made with shredded pork, but it's really made with mushrooms. The mushroom I'm using is the Maitake Frondosa from Mycopia Mushrooms. This mushroom comes in a leafy cluster and you can cook it as a whole cluster or chopped up. Thank you to Mycopia Mushrooms for sponsoring this video and providing the mushrooms for this recipe. I'm going to make the cilantro lime crema first by taking some cashews and soaking them in water overnight to soften them. The cashews is what will give the crema its creamy texture. Add the soaked cashews in a food processor or blender, as well as some water, lime juice, cilantro, garlic, and salt, and blend until creamy. Store in the refrigerator until you're ready to use. To make the tacos, I'm taking 2 clusters of maitake mushrooms and cutting the ends off and slicing them into strips. And I'm going to slice an onion as well. For the carnitas seasoning, combine chili powder, oregano, liquid smoke, cumin, onion powder, salt, garlic, lime juice, and orange juice, and whisk together. Heat a pan over medium-high heat and add some low-sodium vegetable broth to the pan. Add the maitake mushrooms and arrange them in a single layer. Cook for 5 minutes, then turn the mushrooms over and continue to cook for another 5 minutes. If pieces of mushroom get stuck on the bottom of the pan, deglaze the pan. To deglaze the pan, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable broth and scrape the pieces off of the pan and mix it in with the rest of the mushrooms. Add the onions and continue to cook for another 10 minutes, stirring the mushrooms and onions and deglazing the pan every 5 minutes. Once the mushrooms are darker in color, add the marinade to the pan and cook for 5 minutes. Don't let the mushrooms dry out. If they start to dry out, add some more vegetable broth. Assemble the taco by taking a sprouted grain or whole wheat tortilla and adding the mushrooms, some avocado, and drizzling some crema on top. You can add all of your favorite toppings to the taco as well. I hope you enjoy eating these carnitas as much as I do. I've included a link to this recipe in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, go ahead and click on that like button, subscribe, and comment below.